Good day everyone, and today video 3rd generation of the Galaxy Fit. Beast mode. Alright. Charging cable. Manual. No one will read that. It's so heavy. It's like half the weight of everything. Like you can see, it's soft rubber on the stripe. Alright, there you go, there you go. And a couple of sensors. The charger itself is magnetic. Well, connect. We can switch faces if we wanted to, and it is quick. Really quick. We have tons of faces to choose. Like tons. And they are by the default. You have to pay. You don't have to pay for them. Just free. Free skins. Alright, let's leave with this one. What else do we have? And we have heart. What is that? Well, the heart is your motivator. Steps and calories. If you want to fill up the heart, then you need to burn a lot of calories and make a lot of steps. Also, we have walking, running, bike, and more. Well, walking, running, bike, running coach, track run, hiking, pool swing, open water swim, treadmill, bike. Wow, so much. All right. Sleeping. I've slept for 7 hours, which is too much, I think. Way too much. Weather today. Calendar. You can control Spotify, YouTube, all kinds of music to a smartphone. Also volume. Heart and cycle running. Okay. If you're doing like this, we have a sleep mode. We do have a water mode. We have brightness. This smartphone go all the way to very bright. You have adaptive brightness, always on display. Rise with wake, control media. The amount of features. Not sure why. The amount of features. If we swipe this way, we do have health, media control, weather, calendar, calculator, if you want to. And we also can control a camera. There you go. Controlling the camera for photo and video. And it doesn't have to be on timer. You can do it like this. Which is super cool. The sun is fully blasting and we see literally everything, which is great. Counting steps is accurate. The battery life is 3.5 days, at least in my particular scenario, and when it has like auto on mode. So 3.5 days, it's okay, I guess. Do you need it? No. Do you want it? Yes. Link in the description for you. See you next video, bye.